Hello children. So I hope you all are safe and fine after that big cyclone. That was a big disaster for us. That is a natural calamity. But now I hope you all are safe and fine. So in this video we will be starting with chapter number 6, community helpers. In the last video I have finished the explanation part. Now in this video we will be doing the exercise. Now can you see page number 54 in this video, the glossary part? Yes, in the glossary part all the words which are given with their meanings you have to learn that. What you have to do is you have to learn that. After every chapter there is a glossary part given. You have to learn this. It will come in the exam. So it is given: service, occupation, relief, investigation, disposal, hazard, ensure, labor, dignity. With their meanings it is given. You have to learn this. Now come up to the exercise part. This is the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Dash are the persons who do important jobs to help in a community. That is community helpers. Community helpers are persons who do important job to help people in a community. Dash maintain law and order in the society. Policeman maintain the law and order in the society. Then third one, dash are the general physicians or specialists. Doctors are the general physicians or the specialists. Soldiers protect the border of our country from enemy attack. Then the next one, firefighters take the help of fire engines. Firefighters takes the help of the fire engines. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now come up to the true and false part. Only some of us need community helpers to live in a society. False. Doctors are the most important community helpers. False, because not only doctors, every community helper is important. Why? Because they are different types of community different types of community helpers are helping helping to us in different fields. So that's why it is false. Teachers play an important role in the role of educating the nation. True. Firefighters wear special gear for their work. Yes, true. They wear a special uniform while they are doing the work. Policemen protect us from rain and natural calamities. Policemen protect us from rain and natural calamities. False. Here natural calamities is what I already explained you, like earthquake, this cyclone Amphan. Recently, which anybody can ask you recently which cyclone has come in West Bengal, so you can say the answer as Amphan. So policemen protect us from rain and other natural calamities. That is false. So here is the exercises of this chapter, which is finished. Now in the next video I will be giving you the question answers of this chapter. So please be prepared and I will be giving you the question answers. Till then, be safe. Thank you so much, children.